Hey guys, this is lesson 2.1 where we are doing long division. So when we do long division, we just follow the 4 steps. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. So dead monkey smelled bad, or dad, mom, sister, brother. And then when you're done, you have to go start all over again. So long division is really easy because all you do is follow the steps every time. If you divide, you have to multiply. If you multiply, you have to subtract. And after you subtract, you have to bring down. Remember, if there's nothing to bring down, that's when you're done. So you divide, multiply, subtract. You might be done then, but if there's something to bring down, then you bring it down, and then you restart all over again. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Just follow the steps every time. So we're going to work through a problem. Okay, so it's 2,426 divided by 3. So the first step, divide. So this is our divisor, and this is our dividend. Divisor, dividend, and our answer is going to be the quotient. So we take our divisor and we try to put it into the first number we have here. 3 into 2. 3 does not go into 2. It's too big. So we move over. And now we go 3 into 24. So I know 3 goes into 24 8 times. So I write that answer above the 4. Don't put it above the 2. We divided 3 into 24, so we need to put it above the 4, and we put an 8. So that's step number 1, divide. Next step, multiply. So when we multiply the number we just got here divided or times the divisor. So I'm just going to put a multiplication sign right here so we don't forget. 8 times 3. So 8 times 3 is 24. You put it right here. And now the next step is subtract. So I'm going to subtract what I just wrote down. 24 minus 24 is 0. And then the next step is to bring down. So I just bring down the next number here. Okay, now we start all over. If I bring down, you have to come back to the top. So the next step is divide. 2 divided by 3. Well, 3 doesn't go into 2. So remember, what do? You can't bring down another number. Don't bring down the 6. If you bring down another number, you just went out of order. You can't do that. You have to do it in the right order. So we brought down the 2. We have to divide. 3 goes into 2 0 times. So we put that 0 right above the 2. Make sure it's in the right place value. And now we multiply. 0 times 3 is 0. And now we subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. And now we bring down. So we have one number to bring down. We bring down the 6. Okay, 26 divided by 3. Let's see, 3 can go into 26 8 times. We know that because it goes into 24 8 times. But it can't go into 9 because that would be 27. That's too much. So 3 goes into 26 8 times. So I'm going to put another 8. And now we multiply. 3 times 8 is 24. And now we subtract. So 26 minus 24 is 2. And now we bring down, but there's nothing left to bring down. So remember what I said at the beginning. We know we are done if there's nothing left to bring down, and our last step was subtraction. So you can't just go and divide again. We're done. We're done. All these numbers are filled to the end of the place value, to the end of this 2,426. We subtracted, we don't have anything left to bring down, so this 2 is our remainder. And remember, our remainder we're going to write like this. The 2 is our numerator, and our 3 is our denominator. So your answer is 808 2/3. The 2 is your numerator, and the 3 comes from your divisor right here. That's your denominator right here. Okay, your extra credit problem is 6,033 divided by 5.